Hey guys, I'm Johnny. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm so excited because I'm gonna show you how to make bread pudding. And not any bread pudding, I'm gonna show you how to make orange and vanilla bread pudding. This bread pudding is so delicious, so decadent and rich. It reminds me of the holidays, that's why I wanted to make it and share the recipe with you. So let's get started. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do is to mix our custard. So in this bowl I have some eggs, and to our eggs we're going to go ahead and add both kinds of sugar. I am using white sugar and light brown sugar, but if you don't have brown sugar you can use all white, but I like the caramelly flavor that the brown sugar provides. Also, we're going to go ahead and add some vanilla extract, milk, cream, and orange zest. Now using our whisk, we're gonna mix everything together until everything is well blended. And don't forget the salt. I almost forgot the salt, but salt is very important when you make desserts too, because it brings all the flavors out. So don't forget to add some salt. Alright guys, so now that we have our custard mixed, we're going to go ahead and add it on top of our bread. So here I have some bread that I cut into cubes. You can use challah bread, French bread, any kind of bread that is stale. Personally, I am using croissants because that's what I had. I like to use my spatula to make sure all the pieces of bread are submerged in the liquid. We want to make sure that the bread soaks up all that mixture that we made. So just pop it into the fridge for at least 3 hours. I personally always leave mine overnight. It's just easier for me. So once you get it out of the fridge, we're gonna bake this at a 350 Fahrenheit for 45 to 50 minutes. It should be nice and puff and should be golden brown on top. You're going to let it cool completely. Personally, I like to let it cool completely. I like to make sure everything sets nicely before I eat it. So while that happens, while it cools down, we're going to make a vanilla sauce. This doesn't need it at all because it's rich already, but it feels nice, you know, to have something to eat with the bread pudding. So we're gonna make a vanilla sauce. So in this saucepan, I have some brown sugar, white sugar, butter, and we're going to go ahead and add some cream. Over medium heat, we're going to cook this here for about 5 to 8 minutes until the butter is melted, the sugar is melted, and it's nice and bubbly. Once it's nice and bubbly, it took me like 5 minutes. We're going to go ahead and add the vanilla and salt. Stir everything together, and there you have it. Alright guys, so I have some of my bread pudding and I'm just gonna give it a try now. I added some of the caramel sauce on top, well, vanilla sauce. This is like heaven on earth. This tastes so good. I'm lost for words, you know? You know, you don't need the vanilla sauce, to be honest. It tastes just delicious, but you know, it tastes even better. And you don't need to put a lot anyways. I really hope you guys make this recipe. I will have it written down in the description box. And if you make it, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I will put the link in the bio. And yeah, make this for the holidays. It is so good. I don't know what else to say. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.